Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and at home. Well, in today's video, I'll be trying out the newly launched Popexo makeup collection from MyGlam. Well, MyGlam and Popexo are the two brands that I have admired for like years now. And these two brands coming together, I definitely had to try out these products. And the best part is that all these products are so affordable, guys. Like, have you ever seen a face and eyeshadow palette in just 450 rupees or 500 rupees? No, na? So they are like very cheap, guys. So without wasting any more time, let me just jump into the video. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So these are the products. Like, I've ordered a lot of their products for this video, but yeah, a few of their palettes and lipstick palettes I haven't ordered. So guys, I've already done my base. Now I only need to do my contour, eyes, blusher, highlighter and lipstick. So all those things I've ordered from the Popexo collection, and I'll be showing you as I go forward. So first up is this Rise and Shine face and eye palette. It has a setting powder, a blush, a highlighter and two eyeshadow palettes. So let me open it up. And the price for this one is rupees 459 rupees. By the way, MyGlam is giving extra 20% off if you're ordering this new collection, this Popexo collection. So you'll get extra 20% off if you're ordering this Popexo collection from MyGlam app or website. So this is the setting powder, and first I'll apply this because I haven't set my face. This is my brush and now I'll be taking it to set. Okay, I just rubbed halka sa and see this much has came out. First I'll be applying it under my eyes. I hope you can see any difference. Like यहाँ पे थोड़ा black सा रहा है and ये लगाते साथ यहाँ कम हो गया. That's the difference what a setting powder or banana loose powder makes. Even for instant compact, it does this. And guys, this product has no fallout. Wait, now let me just try it with my hand. Okay, so this is buttery soft, guys. It is so soft. The texture is so soft. This is how it looks. I have used this powder. Now I'll be taking this blush and I'll be applying it. Okay, so I have applied my blush too, and it's giving a very nice like orangish tinge, like red thoda wala glow. So it's looking natural. It's not looking कि पता नहीं क्या लगाया हुआ है. So it's very natural. I think I'll apply a little bit on my nose too. Yeah, we're done. So we're done with our sun-kissed blusher. Now this is the highlighter. Oh wait, just a minute. I didn't show you. Let me swatch it too. This is how it looks. I don't know if it's visible or not, but this is the one. This is the highlighter. Let me apply it. This is also so buttery. Like everything is like feels like as if it is butter. A little bit here. My final words about this palette is that it is perfect, it's outstanding, and it's compact too. So you definitely need to have this palette. You can like take it anywhere. It's an on-the-go palette. You can get dressed. You can do your makeup in your car. it's not even that expensive too. It's great. So next up are these two palettes from Popexo. Well, this one is a 4-color palette and this one has 12 different shades. This is for rupees 299 and this is for rupees 449. So first let me show you this one.
So this one is a neon palette. It has 4 different shades. One is neon yellow, or you can call it neon. The other one is light brown. The third one is orange and the fourth one is pink. Well, I didn't hide these colors, so that's the reason I have ordered this palette. There are 2 more palettes in this 4 shade variants. One is called the Scent Nudes and the other one is No Drama. Scent Nude has all the neutral shades, whereas the No Drama palette has all the darker shades. So I'll be using this palette to do my eye look today. Firstly, I'll be taking the light brown shade and I'll be applying it as my base.
And again, this is so buttery, guys. You see? And so light. Like, this is wow, guys. This palette has no dropout. Generally, whenever I do my eyes at the end, all my face makeup, all my cheeks are filled with the eye color too. So I need to clean it with a tissue paper or sometimes with a lip balm. So this one has no dropout. It's amazing.
Next up, I'll be taking the pink color on my upper waterline, just like a pink eyeliner. Okay, so this is how it looks. Next up, I'll be taking the orange color and I'll try and draw a V towards the outer side of my lid. And lastly, I'll be taking up the yellow color and I'll be applying it towards the inner side of my eyes.
Okay, so we are done with this palette and you can see how colorful my eyes are looking. Then it's just looking beautiful. The colors are so good and the payoff they have is very nice. So it's a definitely must try palette too. Well, I think this collection is a must try, and especially when it is so affordable.
Well, now the last and the only palette left is this Quad Golds from the Popexo collection. Well, I'm not gonna use this palette because I have already applied so much on my eyes. I'll just be taking a color from this palette and applying it on my inner corners.
Okay, and we're done. This is how it's looking. Well, let me tell you about this palette. This palette has 6 matte shades and 6 shimmery shades. This palette has got you sorted. All you need is this palette and you're done. You need not have any other palette. And plus, it's again compact. Like, all these palettes from the Popexo collection are so compact and so affordable. And the reason why I'm saying again and again that this is affordable because it is. You must be thinking कि नहीं 450 rupees इतनी छोटी सी palette का although 12 colors है but फिर भी इतनी छोटी है. Guys, no. This is a cruelty free, paraben free vegan palette and honestly you can never get such kind of palette for so cheap. So now you decide yourself that whether it's actually affordable or not.
Now the last and the only thing I have from this collection is this No Drama mini lip kit. It has 3 lip shades. I've ordered the nude ones. Although there are 2 more variants. One is the pink one and the other has all the dark shades, red shades. Okay, so let me show you the packaging. Well, it's quite simple. It is white in color and it has written over it Popexo Makeup Collection exclusively by MyGlam. It's like very beautiful and simple. Well, the shade I'm using is Bliss And to see the swatches of these lipsticks, check out my Instagram.
So I've applied this lipstick and this is how it looks, and I think it's very beautiful, guys. Well, I think all the nude shades are very beautiful. I haven't ordered the other ones. They were also very beautiful, but I generally apply more nude shades, so that's why I have ordered it. So that's it for this video, guys. Well, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then do like this video and share this with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to buy the PopXO collection, use the code PopXO20 and avail an extra 20% discount on the collection on the MyGlam app and website. Also, I'll be linking all the product details in the description box below with their links too, so in case you want to check them out. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.